Hello and welcome back to Hoosierback Outdoors. My name is Ben. Today I'm going to show you one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my life, so stay tuned. As most of you know, I went on a fishing trip just a couple of weeks ago with Jacob from Chaos Paddlers. I will leave a link to both his channels in the description below if you'd like to go check him out. Go do that, let him know that we sent you over. But while we were over there, he showed me his dad's collection of lures that he's collected for 40 some years. And in fact, I think he's had to add on to his garage at least 3 or 4 times just to accommodate all the stuff that he's collected over the years. And it was one of the neatest collections I've ever seen in my life. In fact, if you ever get a hold of Jacob and go visit Jacob, I'm sure he'll take you over there to see it. It's pretty neat. Anyway, I took some film while I was there, and I'm gonna throw this in there where you can see that and check out what this collection looks like. It's pretty amazing. And then, when we're done with that, we're gonna do a giveaway right afterwards. Open it?
Now to be careful, but open it up.
He said be careful.
Open it up, and it will stay open if you get it far enough open. Okay, now let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
Okay.
Just see this right here? This is my... Now undo it.
Probably can't get it
yeah,
off
you
there.
can get it off. That's a 1915 frog gig.
Wow.
Frog catcher, sorry, not a gig, a catcher. And them's all my old motors. Can't you'll have to look right down here where I'm at. Watch me move that back flat. See it?
Yeah.
Okay. This screws on the back of your john bolt. This swings around and ties down. And you go back and forth. That's a, I forgot what
Okay, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. First off, I'd like to say I didn't pay full price for any of this. I went to Walmart and had a friend contact me actually. Went to Walmart and they had a sale going on. Most of it's panfish stuff, but I got some bass fishing stuff here as well. But we're gonna be giving this away. First off, we got the Rage Swimmer. I know I like these, a lot of people like these. Got 2 packs of those. It's gonna be in the giveaway. We got 2 spools of 4-pound Mr. Crappie fishing line. Going to be in this giveaway. We have 3 Johnson crappie busters. They're underspins, great crappie lures, and the fall crappie season is just around the corner. Then also we got some Mr. Crappie shad poles from Strike King. Great little lure. We also have some 2-inch curltail shad from Cream that are going to be in this. We got one that is Blue Thunder and one that is Chart Black, I believe is what it says. Then for the bass lures, we have some 5-inch Yum Dingers and Watermelon Red Flake. One of my favorite lures of all time. We have some Yum Dingers, 5-inch, and Carolina Pumpkin chartreuse tip, and then we got some Strike King cinnamon blue shimmy stick that are going to be in this giveaway as well. So you got all this going to be in this giveaway. All I need for you to do is be subscribed, hit the like button on this video, go down in the comments and comment the answer to this trivia question. And the question is, what branch of the military is my son in? If you can answer that question in the comments below. If you don't know, go check out some of my older videos. That'll be really helpful. But comment what branch of the military he's in, and you will be entered in the drawing to win this giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. We'll see you guys later.